Here we've got Motorola Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So we have two options. Let's start with the quicker one. At first click on the phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got IMEI number, and at the bottom of the list you've got serial number. So click on OK to go back. And now we will open those numbers through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to the system. Now click on About Phone, and over here you've got IMEI number, and if you will click on Model and Hardware, you will also notice serial number assigned to your device. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.